Finally, IBM and Scalar test mail is out. I just uploaded Scalar video. If you see here that IBM Tech Mahindra Scalar, and they are sending you the mail of the assessment, and if you didn't watch this video, then what are you waiting for? Scalar is a limited time opportunity and Tech Mahindra also, and IBM new phase is started. Just go and watch this video without skipping a single second. Every second is very important to you to understand each and everything. Go and apply it. Suppose you applied and you will get this test mail out. So I am first telling you Scalar, then I will tell you about IBM, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 November is your assessment, and yes, this is going on phase wise. So listen each and everything. Very carefully. This is the internship at Scalar. Next step, assignment for program management role, director's office. So if you see here that great news, your profile has been shortlisted for the next stage of the program management interview process at Scalar, and this is the next step, means updated. This is the link to assignment prompt. ठीक है, they provide you one assessment and the deadline is also given that Tuesday 4th November is the deadline, and you have to update the Excel sheet workbook with your responses, 5-8 long video explaining your approach. ठीक है, then incomplete assignment will not be considered. So they give you assignment. There is written in the form that 48 hours you will receive. So in the form there is written within 48 hours you will receive the assignment, but I already told you 4 to 3 hours you will receive the mail, and this is the mail where you have to see the link to assignment prompt. There is the assignment, you have to click on that, और वहां पर जब तुम कंप्लीट कर लोगे तो तुम एक अपडेटेड एक्सेल शीट वर्क बुक बनानी पड़ेगी. ठीक है, 5-8 मिनट की खुद की वीडियो जिसमें तुम्हारा फेस विजिबल एंड यू आर एक्सप्लेनिंग द अप्रोच एंड रिकमेंडेशन, हाउ यू क्रिएटेड दिस असाइनमेंट, व्हाट अप्रोच, व्हाट टेक्नोलॉजीज, व्हाट टूल्स यू यूज्ड टू कंप्लीट दिस असाइनमेंट. ठीक है, बस इतना ही है, बहुत ईजी, कुछ नहीं है. कुड you use this G form to submit your assignment? So you have to click on this link. While suppose you completed your assignment, so you have to click on this G form. There is a form you have to submit your assignment, means on the form of GitHub link. ठीक है, GitHub में पहले पुश करनी होगी, उसके बाद वो लिंक तुम्हें अपने फॉर्म में देनी होगी, और डेडलाइन इज 4th November. Suppose if you uploaded your assignment, complete assignment 12 AM means 5 November. ठीक है, तो ये तुम्हें डिस्क्वालीफाई कर देंगे, दे विल नॉट कंसीडर यू. ठीक है, तो इनकम्प्लीट नहीं होना चाहिए, ये नहीं कि यू कंप्लीटेड हाफ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट मीन्स असाइनमेंट एंड हाफ यू लीव ब्लैंक, मतलब फ्रंट एंड. सपोज आई एम टेकिंग फ्रंट एंड बैक एंड इज इन द असाइनमेंट, you only created the front end and leave the back end part, so they will not consider you. ठीक है, और टाइमिंग का भी बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना है. so this is live opportunity, this is going on, just go and apply and take the assignment and complete it and submit it as soon as possible. So we clear the Scalar opportunity. Now we are moving forward to IBM. So this is the great opportunity. Why? I already told you this is phase wise going on. This next phase is out, just go and apply it because limited time, only 1-2 days left for this IBM opportunity. ASC role. So CRC role of campus recruitment, this is the all process which they sending the candidate that IBM off campus process 2025 greetings from the IBM. And if you see here that this is the selection process, all state elimination round. 4th November is the physical online coding. ठीक है, 4th November online written test is also there at the same day, but interview will conduct after round 1 or round 2 because this all rounds are elimination round. You have to keep in mind ये सारे elimination round होने वाले हैं, like all stages are elimination round. ठीक है, so there is a 3 rounds. ठीक है, first one is online coding assessment, physical and face to face online written assessment, physical and interview will also physical, but they will consider only shortlisted candidate who clear the online assessment or online written assessment. So if you are not able to solve the coding assessment physically, then don't apply because definitely this will haunt you और तुम कुछ कर नहीं पाओगे वहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो 3rd November 8 PM, like please scan and upload the below document in your IBM candidate profile. See, there is no shortlisting in IBM. Yes, you heard it right. There is no shortlisting in IBM. IBM में कभी shortlisting नहीं होती है. जब भी ऑफ कैंपस निकलती है, like for 24 बैच के लिए चले जाओ या 25 बैच के लिए चले जाओ, यहाँ पर shortlisting नहीं होती. There is no shortlisting. Just you have to click on apply. Then they will send you the mail on the phase wise. Suppose there is phase 1 or phase 2, so they will send mail to 50 candidate on phase 1 and 50 to phase 2. But between the duration of that time, like phase 1 got the 50 mail and you are not getting, so it doesn't mean that there is shortlisting or you are rejected. No, it means that they will send you the mail on phase 2 that is going on now, जो कि IBM की नेक्स्ट फेज जो अभी चालू हुई है वो वही है जो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. So there is a 3-4 round all are, so there is a 3 rounds and all are conducting offline. ठीक है, face to face होगा. There is no need of cheating. You can't do anything. You have to solve the problems or everything, or you have to answer the question everything face to face. Keep in mind, if you receiving this mail, means if you are receiving this mail, you are in the process. Round 1, round 2 at the same day, round 3 is the next day. ठीक है, अब ये बात आती है कि जब ये फॉर्म आएगा तो फॉर्म फिल करना है. एंड व्हाट आर द लिस्टेड डॉक्यूमेंट? सी, देयर इज अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे. फर्स्ट रिमूव ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स विच यू कांट हैंडल. बेसिकली इतना ही बोलूंगा मैं, जो नहीं आता है रिमूव डेट. रिसेंट पासपोर्ट साइज फोटोग्राफ, इशूड फोटोग्राफ लाइक एनीथिंग लाइक पैन कार्ड, आधार कार्ड, एनी वन गवर्नमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट, 10th-12th मार्कशीट, ओरिजिनल ग्रेजुएशन मार्कशीट, मे बी 25 गॉट द प्रोविजनल डिग्री. यूज प्रोविजनल डिग्री, ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री सर्टिफिकेशन, बेसिकली प्रोविजनल डिग्री. और मार्कशीट जितनी है ना सारी तो मैं करनी पड़ेंगी फ्रॉम till 8th semester. Post graduation if applicable, or work experience document if you have, then offer letter is mandatory and a relieving letter is very mandatory. इंक्रीमेंट लेटर है तो ठीक है, रिलीविंग लेटर, ऑफर लेटर, ये सब सबमिट करना बहुत ज़्यादा मैंडेटरी है. तो दिस इज द ऑफ कैंपस 2025. और ये जो अपॉर्चुनिटी है दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉर 25. बेसिकली it is the same opportunity, but this is phase 2 we can say, and you will receive exact these things if you got the mail, coding assessment, online written assessment, interview, but the date is different. Obviously date तो different ही रहेगी, but तुम्हें एक स्कैन करके PDF फाइल फॉर्मेट में देना है. ठीक है, इसको PNG फॉर्मेट में मत देना. you have to submit that on PDF फॉर्मेट. PDF फॉर्मेट में सारे डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करने हैं. तो एज सुन एज पॉसिबल कंप्लीट दिस, बिकॉज यहाँ पे भी डेडलाइन दी गई है सबमिट करने की. अगर नहीं करोगे तो वैसे ही वो रिमूव कर देंगे. जैसे यहाँ पे 3 नवंबर की दी गई है 8 PM तक, तो 8 PM में ही करना. अगर तुम 9 PM में करोगे दे विल रिजेक्ट यू, डेफिनेटली कुछ नहीं होगा फिर. सो स्केलर इज लाइव नाउ एंड अप्लाइड एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, बट लिमिटेड हार लेफ्ट. दिस इज क्लोजिंग सून. ठीक है, बहुत जल्दी ये बंद होने वाली है. अप्लाइड एज सुन एज पॉसिबल एंड डोंट मिस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर माय चैनल एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड प्लीज गो एंड वॉच रिसेंट वीडियोज. Please go and watch recent videos and my channel getting down because of algorithm. So please support me and share my channel. Thanks for watching.